A very good morning to all my lovely children. I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 5 of a reader book, and the name of the chapter is 4 Friends. So children, we all need friends. Friends makes us happy. We do many activities with our friends such as playing, reading, sharing, laughing, etc. They make us laugh when we are sad. They share things with us. They also help us in need. So today we are going to read a very interesting story about 4 friends. So now come to the story. Once there was a little lamb called Lena. It liked to do many things. It liked to munch on soft green grass. It liked to lay down in the warm grass and go on walks with her mother. She also loved to play with her friends, Jenny Kit and Dixie Pup. So in this story, there was a little lamb named Lena. It liked to do a lot of things. It liked to eat soft green grass. It liked to lay down in the warm grass and go on walks with her mother. She also loved to play with her 2 friends. Who are her 2 friends? They are Jenny Kit and Dixie Pup. She loved to play with them. They were good friends. They used to play together. Every afternoon, the 3 friends would meet. They always had fun. They would roll in the grass and jump over bundles of hay. So children, they used to gather together every afternoon. They always had fun. They used to roll in the grass and jump over bundles of hay. What is hay? Long, dried grass used for feeding animals. So they used to roll in the grass and jump over bundles of grass. Let's go an adventure. Let's find a new place to play, said Lena one afternoon. One afternoon, Lena said to her friends, let's go on an adventure. Let's find a new place to play. Lena was bored playing at one place. She wanted to experience something exciting and unusual, so she wanted to find a new place to play. Where shall we go? Asked Jenny. Jenny asked to Lena, but where shall we go? Let's go to the pond, Dixie said. It must be fun to play in the water. Then Dixie got an idea and said, let's go to the pond. It would be fun to play in the water. Lena and Jenny were very happy with Dixie's idea. Lena and Jenny liked Dixie's idea, so they decided to go to the pond. They ran across the green fields and reached the pond. Then they started running towards the pond, and finally they reached there. Just as they were about to enter the water, they heard a loud cry. So as they were about to enter the water, what did they hear? They heard a loud cry. Someone was crying loudly. The 3 friends rushed towards the sound. They found a calf caught in a thick bush. It was crying and looked really sad. They helped it get out of the bush. So after hearing that sound, the 3 friends ran towards the sound. They wanted to know who was crying. And what did they find? They found a calf caught in a thick bush. It was crying and looked really sad. So they decided to help the calf to get out of the bush. So they helped it to get out of the bush. Free from the bush, the calf calmed down. After getting free from the bush, the calf calmed down. It felt relaxed. Thank you for helping me, said the polite calf. My name is Lucky. After getting out from the bush, the calf thanked them very politely and told them that my name is Lucky. I came far away from my home to find new friends, but I fell into the bush. I do not know how to go back, it cried. And he also told them how it got caught in a thick bush. So children, it came far from his home to find new friends, but it fell into the bush and now lost its way to home. Don't worry, Lucky, said Lena. We will help you find your home. Then Lena said to Lucky, don't get worried. We are here to help you. We will help you find your home. Yes, agreed Dixie, very excited. My mother taught me to find things by following their smell. I can find out which way you came from. Then Dixie agreed and said yes excitedly. And it also told them that its mother taught him to find things just by following their smell. So children, as you know, dogs have a strong sense of smell. They can easily find out things just by following their smell. So Dixie was ready to help Lucky to find its home. So everyone followed Dixie. Dixie slipped away. Jenny made Lucky laugh by telling him funny adventure stories. So Lucky forgot that it was lost and felt quite cheerful. So they all started following Dixie as Dixie was helping Lucky to find its home. And on the way, Jenny was telling funny adventure stories to Lucky. Soon Lucky forgot everything that had happened to him and felt quite happy. Found it! Exclaimed Dixie suddenly. Lucky realized that Dixie had really found its home. Then suddenly Dixie said, found it. So what did Dixie find? It found Lucky's home. Lucky was happy that it was home again, but it did not want to leave its new friends. So Lucky was happy that it was home again, but it did not want to lose its new friends. Just then Lena spoke up. Will you play with us tomorrow? Then Lena asked to Lucky, would you like to play with us tomorrow? Yes, Lucky replied happily. Then Lucky replied yes happily. Lena, Dixie and Jenny returned home. So after finding Lucky's home, Lena, Dixie and Jenny, they returned home. Singing happy songs. It had been quite an adventure. And they were singing happy songs. They were very happy. It had been quite an adventure. So it was an exciting and unusual experience for them. From that day on, the field by the pond became the favorite playground for the 4 friends. So from that day on, Lena, Jenny, Dixie and Lucky started playing on the field by the pond, and it became their favorite playground. So children, I hope you have understood this story. Thank you. Bye-bye.